Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about the Copilot Labs prompt assistants. So you might have noticed if you are using Copilot Pro or Copilot for Microsoft 365 and you have the Office integration, that when you have your prompt box down here, you have this icon here that says View Prompts. And when you click on it, it has an option here to ask with a couple of suggestions. But if you go to View More Prompts, it'll open up this box here with some saved prompts, with some suggested category types, and then some other department and industry types, for example. And then if we go to Excel, let's say, and click on the same thing, you'll see it's a little bit different here. So the type of prompt suggestions will vary based on what app you're in. But what you can do as well is once you open up the secondary window here, go to See All Prompts, then it'll take you to the Copilot Labs website, which you could also go to just on your own by going to copilot.cloud.microsoft. And then you could pick your app, and let's say Excel, for example, and then it'll give you suggestions based on the app you choose. And then you could pick something from the task here. And if you want to pick a department or industry, you could do that as well. Sometimes you won't get any results when you fine-tune it too much. And then once you pick your categories here, you could click on one of the suggestions here, like highlight data, for example. And it will give you a prompt example. And then it will give you a starting point with a prompt. So highlight and then you would put in the rest of the information yourself. You can see how this works in Excel, and you could change the category if you want. And then once you get your prompt, you could copy it or share it. And then if you scroll down, it tells you some more information about what this prompt will do. And then it also gives you some suggestions. So say if we take that off, you can see it gives us more options here. Let's go on to Ask, for example. And then you have your suggestions here as well. All right, so once again, from within your Office application here, just click on the View Prompts, click on View More Prompts, and then when you get this pop-up box, click on See All Prompts. It'll take you to the Copilot Lab website, and then you could get some ideas from there. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.